a ridiculously easy and simple way to lose weight. If you are looking to lose weight, then keep watching this video, because it helps you achieve that goal. The incidence of overweight and obesity is increasing, suggesting that losing weight is not easy, so it is important to try an experiment in order to find effective methods. Here is an approach utilized in a study that is easy and simple to follow, and also cheap. Here is how it was done. A group of people, including individuals of different age and gender, did not eat for 4 hours. Then the group was presented with food, and the participants were asked to choose a portion they thought they would eat. After that, all portions were weighed accurately. Subsequently, all participants were asked to drink a large glass of water, and wait for 45 minutes. After, the participants were asked again to choose a portion they thought they would eat. And all portions were weighed accurately again. Then the size of the two sets of portions was compared, and astonishingly the portions chosen by the participants after drinking the large glass of water was significantly smaller. Essentially, the glass of water has attenuated the participants' appetite, and importantly added 0 calories. So, what actually happened? What is the science behind these results? Well, this has to do with the mechanisms that control appetite, hunger, and satiety. These are largely influenced through neuronal and humoral signaling to the central nervous system, usually via the hypothalamus and brainstem. Satiation is the feeling of fullness achieved during the consumption of food, which promotes the termination of eating. Within the stomach are present gastric stretch receptors, which detect the distension of the stomach wall, exerted by the presence of food, that directly stimulates neuronal pathways to the brain to trigger satiation and appetite reduction. This response is dependent on distension volume, and not on the nutritional composition of the food consumed. So, essentially what actually happened during the study is this. The participants drank a considerable large glass of water. The water ingested stretched the walls of the stomach, and this information reached the brain. The participants then waited 45 minutes, and during this period of time, physiological changes took place, which led to decreased hunger as a result of feeling full. Consequently, the participants choose a considerable smaller food portion. Smaller meal portions means less calories consumed, and crucially, less calories consumed leads to weight loss. Pretty ingenious, isn't it? Easy, simple, and cheap, with the added benefit of improving hydration. So, if you are looking to lose weight, you could try this approach. Share this videos with friends, especially those who are also looking to lose weight. Thanks for watching. If you would like to get notified with the content of this channel, click the notification bell next to subscribed. Don't forget to write your opinion and experience regarding losing weight in the comments section below this video.